Hey guys, Happy New Year's or New Year's Eve depending on when you see this video or when I upload. I'm gonna show you how my family and I celebrate New Year's each year. So in Korean culture, we make mandu, aka dumplings, and eat 떡만두국, which is rice cake dumpling soup. And yes, it is all about the food, but more importantly, it's about spending time with your loved ones, treasuring the last moments of the year, and hoping for good luck, prosperity, health, or whatever it is that you look forward to. So, Happy New Year or 새해 복 많이 받으세요! So, today is New Year's Eve. Oh my gosh. In a couple of hours, it's gonna be 2021. Can you believe that? Okay, so in Korean tradition, we make mandu on New Year's Eve, and then we eat it with 떡만두국, which is like rice cake soup, kind of. It's really good. I have some green onions, and I'm just gonna chop it up. And if you're wondering about my shirt, this is like a marathon in Hawaii. I volunteered there. I actually give out water, and you only give out water with one hand, so you're just holding your hand out like for couples of hours, and it hurts a lot. I have to go out like 4 in the morning to go volunteer. It was intense. I think this was when I was in like freshman year, when I was a freshman in high school. Yeah. Okay. So chop the onions. It's so spicy, so spicy. It's really spicy, guys. I'm crying! Oh. Okay, now I have some chives, and we're just gonna cut it up the same as we did the green onion, but a little more bigger, I guess. I love chives, guys. Check out my gochujang video, chive pancake. These are like a little thicker than usual because we didn't have the thinner ones, but we're experimenting, okay? This one. Sweet potato noodle, last noodle. Yeah, just rehydrate it in water for about, I don't know, until it becomes flimsy. So I finished cutting the chive, and then this is the green onion. I covered it with a lid because it's really spicy. Like take a whiff of that. It's really spicy. I also have some kimchi because we're gonna make kimchi mandu, kimchi dumpling. This is really fermented, and then this is like 3 blocks of firm tofu. You have to let it dry. You have to take as much water out as possible. And then we boiled some 당면, the rice noodle. No, the glass noodle, the sweet potato glass noodle. So you're just gonna squeeze it out, all the excess seasoning. Just like that until all the seasoning is gone. Like this. Okay, so I have half pork, half ground. Okay, so I have half ground pork, half ground beef, and then I'm gonna just take the blood out with the paper towel. You see the blood? This is like all the blood, so be sure to take out the blood because you don't want to eat that. Arizona break. Okay. I gotta.
Let me wash it.
sister is making a keto mandu because she's on a low carb diet. So instead of dumpling wrappers, we have kimchi and then keto filling.
Trying it for the first time.
We wash the kimchi and then we're just wrapping the filling in the kimchi. Okay, can you show us how to do it?
Sure. So you have the kimchi. It's going to act as a wrapping. As a wrap. And I just roll it.
And then we have the regular filling, and then this is the kimchi filling. It's a little more red. On this side, we're making regular mandu with the wrapper. Same thing, just put it. You get a big scoop of filling, so you have more filling than wrapper. And then you put water on the edge, and then you close it, basically. And then we have to do it until we use all of the filling. Oh, that was loud. And then you put water along the edge.
Me? What? Oh! Can you do that? Take one more time, because I don't...
Nothing fancy, just put it together.
Why are you laughing?
Ta-da! If you want to be more fancy, you put water over here and then you make a rose. Like this. You squeeze it. See? Traditional Korean mandu. It's a changmi rose. So we steamed it. Doesn't it look good? And then put some sauce. And eat it. That's good. This is the kimchi mandu. This is my sister's keto wanja meatball, since she can't have the wrapper. Ta-da! Mandu. And that's my sister. Without wrapper, with wrapper. Cheese.
오, 맛있겠다. 나 배불러.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh! So many dishes, guys! Oh my gosh! 10 minutes till New Year's! Okay, it's 11:59. Officially, almost New Year's. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Happy New Year! the wrong clock. No, look at that.
Wow.
But it's 12. The sounds. Do you hear all that? Happy New Year's, guys! So this is tteokmandukkuk. There's a rice cake, sliced rice cake, and then dumplings, and then it's in a beef bone broth. You eat this on New Year's. Happy 2021! Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Many things happened in 2020 that were unexpected, and we had to adapt to this new unfamiliar world. This pandemic disrupted our everyday lives and affected us in many negative and some positive ways. In my experience personally, it disrupted my cycle of going to school, taking the bus, going work, then home, eating, showering, then sleeping, and doing the same thing again the next day. It was very stressful and I felt like a robot. Because of this disruption, I was at home all the time, wasting my life away, until one day I decided to start a YouTube channel. Yeah, YouTube was a very different thing outside of my comfort zone. Before COVID, I never thought I would do anything like that, but I don't know what came over me, and now I have like 20 videos that I posted. Like, what? I felt like the universe was giving not only myself but everyone else in this world a sign to stop and take a break from our repetitive cycles. And I don't know if this is true, and you guys might have different experiences from me, but I believe everything in life happens for a reason, and 2020 happened for a reason. So having said that, I just want to be thankful for being alive, and my resolution for 2021 is to grow my YouTube channel and lose weight. Yes, I know. A lot of people say this and give up, but I'm really gonna do it, and I'm really motivated. But I don't know how I'm gonna do it with a YouTube channel based around food. I don't know, but I'm gonna still do it, okay? So hopefully your aspirations and resolutions come true. So don't give up, okay? Happy New Year. Bye. Love ya. 새해 복 많이 받으세요.